Welcome to Review Rumble. The best grout pen is probably one of the most surprisingly effective and satisfying tools you can add to your home improvement arsenal, instantly transforming tired, discolored grout lines into bright, fresh surfaces that make your entire bathroom or kitchen feel brand new without the hassle and expense of a full renovation. Number 5. Grout Pen White Tile Paint Marker. Tired of dull, dirty grout? This innovative pen lets you paint and recolor your grout, giving it a bright, clean appearance. Say goodbye to endless scrubbing and hello to a fresh look. You can use it anywhere. It's ideal for refreshing the grout in your bathroom, kitchen, or any other room with floor or ceiling tiles. Transform your spaces with ease. Tackle both small touch-ups and larger DIY projects with confidence. Its long-lasting ink covers up to 150 feet of thin grout, making it incredibly efficient. This pen features an advanced, non-toxic, water-based colorant. It effectively covers grubby grout stains, making them look brand new again. Enjoy a safe and beautiful result. For best results, use it on unsealed grout only. You can test your grout by dropping a few drops of water. If it doesn't absorb within a minute, it's likely sealed. The tip is made of cotton, so avoid pressing too hard to prevent damage. If needed, replacement tips are available from the seller. What we like. This pen is perfect for quickly refreshing the look of your tiles. Its advanced, non-toxic formula covers grubby stains, making grout look brand new. If you are looking for an easy, non-scrubbing solution to brighten your bathroom or kitchen grout, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No positive reviews with product details could be extracted as the source JSON is empty. The provided source content did not contain any reviews to process. Number 4. IMPRESA Pumice Stone Toilet Cleaner with Handle. Tired of stubborn stains that traditional cleaners can't touch? This tool effectively tackles persistent marks and water stains, delivering results where others fail. It's your secret weapon against the toughest grime. Don't limit its power to just the toilet bowl. This versatile wand is also perfect for cleaning barbecue grills, refreshing tiles and grout lines, and even sparkling up your swimming pool. It's a true multi-purpose cleaning essential for your home. Cleaning has never been easier. Simply dampen it and apply gentle pressure in straight motions. It naturally conforms to any surface, ensuring an efficient and thorough clean every time. Experience the powerful cleaning action of this tool. Its natural abrasive efficiency is perfect for removing stubborn limescale, hard water stains, and calcium deposits. It adds significant value to your cleaning supplies. This comprehensive set includes 2 of these powerful cleaning stones. Keep one in the bathroom for daily maintenance and use the other for diverse cleaning chores around your home. It's an indispensable addition to your home essentials. What we like. This tool offers powerful abrasive cleaning for tough stains. It's not just for toilets, it can tackle barbecue grills, tiles, and grout lines. If you have persistent limescale or hard water stains that traditional cleaners can't remove, this natural abrasive is your go-to solution. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 3. PECTRO Grout Pen White 2-Pack. Tired of dingy grout? These pens make old, stained grout look brand new in an instant. They're perfect for refreshing tile lines in your kitchen, bathroom, and shower. Each pack comes with 2 0.27-ounce grout markers and 4 replacement nibs. This ensures you have enough for multiple projects or detailed work, providing precision every time. Its quick-drying formula creates a durable, water-resistant seal. This helps prevent future dirt, mold, and discoloration, keeping your grout looking fresh longer. Achieve a clean, vibrant white finish that restores and brightens your grout. It does this effectively without the need for bleach or harsh chemicals, making it a safer choice. Applying it is incredibly easy. Just shake, press the tip, and draw along your grout lines. No tools or mixing are needed, making it perfect for anyone. This product features a non-toxic, odorless, and safe formula. You can use it around pets and family without worry, making indoor tile touch-ups mess-free and pleasant. What we like. This pack provides excellent value with 2 pens and 4 replacement nibs for extended use. Its quick-drying, waterproof formula creates a durable seal against future dirt and mold. If you have multiple areas to refresh or want a kit that ensures precision and longevity, this option is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Artistro 2 White Acrylic Paint Markers. Discover the superior quality of these markers. They feature vivid, quick-drying acrylic ink that creates a durable, opaque, and glossy finish on any surface. Each one is equipped with Italian ink and a durable Japanese nib. Unleash your creativity with these versatile pens. You can use them for rock, sneaker, or glass painting, and even on canvas, metal, pottery, plastic, and terracotta. They are perfect for outlining, lettering, and adding labels. These acrylic markers are non-toxic and conform to ASTM D4236 standards, making them perfect for everyone. Both kids and adults, beginners and pros, can enjoy creating whatever they imagine with them. Achieve intricate designs with their 0.7 mm extra fine tip. They won't flood or jam, ensuring perfect details for all your projects, from birthday cards to Christmas gifts. This convenient 2-pack is ideal when you just need a couple of pens for those final artistic touches. Get yours today and complete your masterpieces with ease. What we like. These markers are designed for precision and detailed work with their extra fine tip. The premium acrylic ink provides a durable, opaque finish on various surfaces beyond just grout. If you are an artist or crafter looking for a versatile white pen for intricate details on different materials, this product will exceed your expectations. What people say. The pen effectively restores the appearance of old grout, making it look fresh and clean. Its design allows for easy handling and controlled application, ensuring a neat finish. Number 1. PentaUSA Tile Grout Repair Kit. This pre-mixed acrylic sanded grout filler is perfect for repairing cracks, missing sections, and damaged joints. It cures into a solid, durable material that bonds seamlessly with existing grout and tile. Designed for DIY enthusiasts, it's incredibly easy to use, even for first-time users. Homeowners and handypersons alike will find it straightforward to apply. It touches dry in just 2 hours and fully cures in 24, providing reliable coverage. A single 8.8-ounce tube can cover about 29 square feet, perfect for various projects. This filler creates a water-resistant barrier, guarding against moisture penetration in wet areas. It's ideal for refreshing discolored joints and repairing cracked lines. Its low-odor, water-based formula is perfect for indoor use, and the thick consistency prevents dripping. The anti-clog nozzle ensures it stays fresh for future touch-ups, and cleanup is simple with water. For deeper gaps, you can apply it in layers, building thickness with multiple thin coats. It's available in various sizes and colors to match your specific needs, suitable for both small touch-ups and larger projects. Use it in your bathroom, shower, or kitchen to repair and refresh tile grout. It's perfect for walls, floors, backsplashes, and laundry rooms, making your spaces look new again. What we like. This kit offers a true repair solution, filling cracks and missing sections with actual sanded grout material. It cures into a solid, durable bond that matches existing grout. If you have damaged grout lines that need structural repair rather than just recoloring, this comprehensive kit is perfectly suited for your needs. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per instructions. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract relevant points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.